Well, what started as an ordinary traffic stop ends in a major drug bust.
And tonight we're getting our first look at the body-worn camera footage that shows how Cranston police officers found a secret compartment filled with cocaine. 12 News reporter Alex Torres-Perez has been on top of the story. Alex joins us live from Cranston this afternoon. Alex, what have you learned?
Well, Ted and Sarah, that Providence College senior with no criminal background will be actually facing a judge this upcoming Thursday for his several drug charges, including a felony. This comes after a traffic stop for not wearing a seatbelt ended up with police finding 11 kilos of cocaine.
Just roll this down, bro. I wanted you to pull to the right, that's all.
Okay, sounds good.
No, it's all right. We're here now. It's all set.
Okay.
Sorry
about
just gotta wear your seatbelt the right way, okay?
Sorry about
You
that.
got your registration insurance?
Yes. Was everything going, boss?
Attention, on what happened. There's one
This is my cousin's rental.
Okay. I don't want that. I want the rental agreement. That's the registration. So are you on the rental agreement?
Yeah, I should be an authorized secondary. Should I give him a call?
In the center, maybe?
Is there any way you guys can search it up with the plate?
Doesn't
I
work
remember
that
I got into an accident.
Doesn't work that way.
It doesn't work that way?
No. Is it in the center, maybe?
Show me on 10, call and show me in the headquarters for search.
Slide. Alright, just hop out, Ted.
Is there a reason why?
Yeah, I want you to talk to you outside of the car.
This is a traffic stop.
Yep, come on up.
Is
Get
there
out
a
of the
reason
car.
why?
Yes, I want to speak to you outside of the car.
Well, what is your reason?
We'll talk outside of the car.
I'm just going to look for the registration.
Okay.
Just not taking my car, so.
Okay. The United States Supreme Court
Okay.
allows me to ask you to get out of the car. All right? Any weapons on you?
No weapons.
No, just keep your hands out of your pockets for me. I'm not patting you down, relax. Just come over here. I just told you we were just talking. Just slide on that side. Just rest your butt right now. So what's up, man?
So before you search up, I usually get like a kind of, before you search up my name, probably into my
Okay.
My brother's incarcerated, same name as me,
Okay.
so they usually get me confused.
Yeah, I got you.
That's all I want to
It
say.
happens. Okay.
I usually get pulled out a lot, and I know it's good.
Okay.
They usually confuse me for him.
I've never met you. I have no fucking clue who you are or your brother.
Appreciate it.
I don't care. All right? All right. So it's your cousin's rental?
Yes.
And who's your cousin?
Providence. Just moved
Where are you going now?
Right now I'm going to get an oil change at Firestone.
I'm sorry?
I'm going to get an oil change at Firestone. Literally right down the road. And I got 2 nails in the tire, so right after that I'm trying to get that situated.
Okay. And where are you coming from now?
School. I go to Providence College.
Oh, yeah? You
Yeah.
see? What do you study there?
Finance.
Finance?
I went to Roger Williams, did 1 year criminal justice, transfer there.
Right on. Cool, man. What do you do for work?
Right now I'm a bus driver. I'm a bus monitor.
Yeah.
I want to become a bus driver. My mom's a bus driver. She's trying to get me in that. And I'm a lifeguard on weekends. Literally just took this car for the day.
I get it, man. How's your license?
Say it again?
How's your license?
My license is good. I just got into an accident.
It's all active, though?
Yeah, everything's
No warrants or anything like
No.
that? Okay. You ever been arrested?
Never been arrested.
Never in your life?
Never in my life.
So you're not on probation, bail, parole, nothing like that? Have you had any recent tickets or anything?
I probably got like a speeding ticket about a couple months ago.
Where was that at?
I think it was in
In Rhode Island?
Yeah, it was in Rhode Island.
Providence or?
Rhode Island. Not Providence. It was some. I don't think now.
You live in Farmington?
Oh, I was coming from Foxwoods.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
No big deal.
My grandfather lives in Farmington, so
where do you stay?
I usually reside with him.
Where do you, predominantly you sleep there? Or?
Yeah, predominantly.
Okay. So you're coming from, what did you say?
School. I'm going for school right now.
Okay.
I live on campus too.
You already had class
But I usually, no, I don't have class.
No. All right. Nice. Thursday, no class?
No class.
Word.
Friday, but tomorrow's usually my busy days. It's at 5 o'clock.
And you're going to Firestone to get an oil change?
Firestone to get an oil change, and then I'm going to get the nails on my tire. Probably somewhere in Union.
Where's your cousin at? Are you doing chores for him?
10:20.
Okay.
He told me I can use the car tonight. I got a date tonight, so.
Okay. Anything illegal in the car?
No, nothing illegal.
Okay. No firearms?
No firearms.
No cocaine? No large amounts of U.S. currency?
It's probably like $1,000 in the car.
$1,000, okay. Fentanyl? Marijuana, large amounts of marijuana?
I mean, I smoke marijuana, but...
Yeah, no big deal.
No.
No large amounts of marijuana
No.
in the car? Okay. No unprescribed medications?
No.
What's in the, is it that all medical marijuana in the trash bag in the back?
But there's probably like...
Are they empty or full?
Well, a lot of the boxes are empty, but there's like...
There's like 1,000 of them in there.
No.
Trash bag's full, so no big deal.
Not 1,000.
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot. It's full, so.
I like smoke a lot. I'm a smoker.
Yeah, that's cool.
But
Okay.
I don't do nothing else. I'm a
Yeah, I got you. Anything legal on you?
No.
Is there anything if I pat you down?
Yeah, sure.
All right, just don't funny. Put your hands in the car, relax. Right here. There you go. So you've never been in trouble?
Never been in trouble.
Spread your legs a little wide for me. Nothing in between your legs?
Nothing.
No, spread your legs. How come your brother's not getting the, your cousin's not getting the all that switch?
He asked me to do him a favor.
Okay. Just come over here for me. Have a seat in my car. You're not under arrest, okay?
Alright.
Just being detained for now, okay? Alright, listen, I've been doing this a long time, alright? All I look for is drugs and guns. So if you're forthcoming with me, I'm going to be cool with you. I'm just telling you my job. I'm telling you my side, alright?
I understand.
So, obviously I have a job to do, alright? And I'm good at my job, alright? You're displaying a lot of things to me that make me very suspicious.
No, I totally understand.
Alright? So, this is kind of your last opportunity. If there's anything small in that car, I honestly don't care about small amounts of anything drugs.
I'm going to be completely honest with you, just a little bit of marijuana.
Yeah.
Not that much.
What's a little bit?
Probably like literally 2 ounces.
2 ounces.
It's just in boxes, so it looks a lot.
Yeah, I got you. Alright, just hang tight for me.
And I have my cell phones in there, but
yeah, how many phones you got? Sorry,
there's probably like
5 in there.
but a lot of those are not even like on.
They don't function?
And, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
A lot of them aren't.
Alright, just hang tight for me, bro. Appreciate it.
Good?
Talk to me.
For what?
It's behind the cup holder.
Behind a couple of them.
The back seat.
I don't know what you're talking about, boss.
Alright, he pulls in front of me, he's coming this way. Rental car out of New York, he's not on a rental, can't provide rental agreement. Says it's his cousin's trash bag full of medical marijuana. Appears to be over 2 ounces, right? So I go through my whole interview, which I've been taught extensively, you know my history.
Yeah.
Anyway, so gives me the consent to pat him down, nothing on him. Extremely nervous, numerous cell phones in the center console, over $1,000 in the center console. I start searching the car. There's what appears to be over 2 ounces of marijuana. I'd have to take it off and count it. Anyway,
Justin, can you just do me a favor and just keep
he's
an eye
detained
on
in the
him?
back seat of my car.
Oh, okay.
He's
All right, never
he's
mind.
not handcuffed.
Okay.
Oh yeah, he's been out. I got him right out.
Okay, yeah.
So I'm searching the car and I see, so the third row, I pull down the back seat, get to the third row and I look, I see the cup holder, it's fucked up. It's not fixed properly in the car.
Yeah.
So I pick it up and I can see, appears to be a tan wrapper. So I lift it up more, I see several of them. I think there's like 5 kilos in the rear quarter of this car right now. So I'm just gonna, I have probable cause.
Yeah.
I can articulate everything.
Yep.
I just want the dog just to make it concrete.
Yep.
And then I'm gonna take it off.
Well, I mean, if the thing was fucked up when you saw it.
Oh, I want the dog just to knock it in.
All right, just.
Yeah, he knows. I just told him.
Okay. Make sure.
All right, it's Teddy, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm just going to read you your rights. I just want you to listen, okay?
Absolutely.
You have the right to remain silent. You do not have to answer any questions or give statements. If you give up your right to remain silent, anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to. You have the right to the presence of a lawyer and talk with the lawyer before and during any questioning. If you can't afford a lawyer and you want one, a lawyer will be appointed for you at no cost before any questioning. If you do talk to police, you can stop at any time. These are your constitutional rights. Do you understand?
Absolutely.
Okay. Do you want to talk to me?
I don't know what's going on.
I found some packages in the rear quarter of your vehicle that are indicative of heavy amount of narcotics.
Okay.
What do you know about it?
I don't know nothing about it.
Okay. So you don't know if this car's loaded with a bunch of kilos?
I don't know nothing about it.
Because it's loaded with a bunch of kilos.
I really don't know nothing.
Okay. Nah, he's not talking to me. Yes, I just want to get one quick. OD, can you hold this up for me?
I've been there to send a gentleman.
Yeah, let me do this.
Yep, go ahead.
Move. Good, pull back now.
Oh, baby.
One more, hang on.
Yeah. All right, I got it. All right, what's your hand?
I have her.
All right, move that. Look out, move that. Oh, shit, yeah. I think I just broke your multi-tool.
I don't care.
It's worth it.
Yeah, fuck it.
Just leave them all right here for now.
You can assist that.
Yeah. That could be anything. Could be fat coke. Oh my goodness gracious. This is insane.
Five, four.
Holy shit. They coming. Keep coming, baby. Keep coming. Holy fuck.
Hang on. Can I see a flashlight, please?
Call who? All right, this whole fender's got it. Cause this whole fender's loaded.
Yeah, you gotta bring it out.
This whole fender's loaded, I think.
We gotta call narcotics.
Hold on, let me do my thing before we get down involved, please. This has nothing to do with them at the moment.
Alright. But eventually.
I agree, eventually. Just give me a little bit of time here. I can't see, hurry.
I'm gonna have Justin put him in handcuffs right now.
I want to do that.
Alright.
Give me a second.
That's what
I don't know. Alright, your hands behind your back. Alright, you're under arrest, okay?
Anyway, you can lose me a little bit.
Yeah, I told you I'm gonna be cool with you as long as you're cool with me. And that's how handcuffs fit. Yeah, fit you perfectly. I can stick my finger in there. You're okay. Thank you. 122. One in custody. Hey, Justin.
Yep.
Can you come over here?
On the street. 1-4. 1-3, go ahead.
I'm gonna hold the flashlight. You stick your head in there. See if there's some more down there. I can't see. Down there. Can you tell?
That compartment?
You're better off popping that whole quarter right off.
Yeah, you see it dives down, but you can't see it anymore. Yeah, right.
Oh yeah, there's more.
There is?
Holy shit.
Transporting on the ball now from my location to headquarters, starting here.
How about take this whole tray?
Time is 10:41.
There you go.
It's probably all clips now.
I'm taking any out, please.
This. Oh, I got more. Hold on.
Want me to try to reach my hand in there? I got long arms.
Yep, that's right. Here you go.
I wonder how deep that compartment is.
This is crazy. This is crazy, bro. I think I got them all. It goes way down.
Yeah, it probably dives down to like the floor.
Yeah, try, hold on, let me out.
You know what, Pat? I bet you're better off with him the whole time.
Hey, G5.
Oh, this car's now it's fine, yeah.
You know what I mean?
Hey, go ahead.
Like I bet you're all back there.
Field with Peter King, 477. 10-4.
9, this gotta be 10, right? It's gotta be.
Yeah, let's just put that.
Oh, this has to stay right there. That's the money shot. That's the money shot. That's everything I've worked for. This has gotta come off.
In the end, 21-year-old Providence College student Teddy Lopez was hit with serious felony charges, including possession of over 1 kilogram of cocaine with intent to deliver, 2 counts of possession of Schedule II narcotics, fentanyl-related, and possession of marijuana with intent to deliver. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more insane bodycam breakdowns like this one, make sure you select the video on your screen right now and hit that subscribe button. Turn on notifications so you never miss the next wild traffic stop gone wrong.